Hello students, welcome back to the Learning Economics channel. This lecture is about, any guesses? This lecture is about innovation theory of profit. Now, what is innovations? First of all, you should understand who intends to earn profit. He is an entrepreneur. So, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur are the four factors of production, among which entrepreneur is the prominent one who coordinates all the factors of production with the aim of maximizing profits. Correct? So, he has to do lot of jobs, he has to do many functions, he has to take the decisions, he has to face the challenges, he has to face certainties and uncertainties. So many risks are involved. So, there are a lot of theories of profit, but in this lecture, I would like to explain to you the innovation theory of profit. This theory is given in 1934 by economist Joseph Schumpeter. What does Schumpeter says? Schumpeter says there is a static economy. Now, first of all, students, you should understand the difference between a static economy and a stagnant economy. What do you mean by static economy is, in static economy, all the parameters like savings, investment, national income, all are constant. They are on a constant level. Whereas in stagnant economy, nothing is moving. It is like just a conjunction of water, you can see, where nothing is flowing. So no savings, no investment, no rise in national income. So stagnant economy is more dangerous, whereas static economy is better. But still, so long the static economy will continue, there has to be someone which will turn the economics into dynamic one. So static economy should move to dynamic economy, then only there will be the growth and development of that particular economy. And here the role of entrepreneur is very, very important. So the entrepreneur enters into the economy where there is a static economy. Motive behind his entrance is to earn maximum profits. So how will he do this? So he has to use the technique of innovation. Now, what is innovation? Innovation is finding out something new, which is a new introduction to the society so that customers or the society will like it and follow or use that product or service. Now, students, I would like to tell you that there are two types of innovations. Joseph Schumpeter has explained us that there are two types of innovations, in which the first is to increase the demand for the product, and second, to reduce the cost of production. So, to increase the demand of product, entrepreneur applies different techniques. First of all is he uses an idea and introduces a new product in the economy. As you can see, there are a lot of new products every day entering into the market. They are generated after a great research. If you remember, there were computers which were very huge in size. Now you have laptop in front of you. There are palm computers. So a new product is introduced. Now mobile has become a smartphone. So you don't have any computer in front of you. That is also okay if you have a smartphone with you. You can do all digital, all online operations on it. So once the new product is introduced, immediately the customers would prefer to use that, and that product becomes popular in the society. Automatically, the profit of the entrepreneur increases. In simple words, in olden days, Maggi was introduced. Then other such kind of noodles were introduced which were made instantly. If you remember in your childhood, the advertisement, 2 minutes Maggi, right? So it was a fast food, you can say, which is prepared instantly. So this was a good idea for all the mothers and housewives. They used to make it instantly. So that was a new product. So wherever there is a new product, there is hike in the demand. So when demand increases, automatically the profit of the entrepreneur increases. So this is the first method he applies for increasing his profit. So new product. Understood? The second thing is, as I said, that is downsizing the cost or decreasing your cost. For that, he has to introduce new method of production. Like the product will be same, but how it is produced, that technique will be smart. That technique is developed in such a way that it reduces the cost on the part of the entrepreneur. Similarly, he can find out a new market. In that new market, he has to apply other techniques to increase his profits, but at the same time, he can reduce the cost by his salesmanship. Similarly, he can find out new source of raw material. For the same product, he can use other raw materials which are cheap in the cost and can give him maximum output. So, these 4 techniques are there: new product, new method of production, new market, and new source of raw material. So out of these 4 methods, an entrepreneur can work on any one of them, can do any one innovation which will help to increase his profit. So Schumpeter says in this method there are supernormal profits which an entrepreneur can earn. But what do you think, students? These profits will continue for a long way, or will it be short for the short time? The profits are for short time. Now why so? So Schumpeter explains here that once the product becomes popular, the other entrepreneurs in the market use the same technique. They also think that if they do their production on the same way, even they can earn more profit. Those entrepreneurs are called imitating entrepreneurs. The first one who is using his own brain, he is a genius, he is called an innovative entrepreneur. And the other entrepreneurs who are following him are called imitative entrepreneurs. What is the end result? Now in the market there are lot of competitors. Schumpeter termed this as a swan-like cluster. Okay, swan-like cluster means an entrepreneur is followed by other entrepreneurs like swans following in a pond. So what happens? The demand is shared. Some customers stop using the innovative producer's product and they start using other brands. As you see, there are a lot of brands, a lot of market for various commodities. One biscuit, you can say there are a lot of brands for the same type they are giving you. Chocolate biscuit, or you can say an ice cream. There are so many brands available giving you the same taste. Pizza is your favorite. So there is lot of food chains you can see in the market, those who are delivering pizza. Okay, so there is not a monopoly of one particular entrepreneur. There are so many entrepreneurs. Now again, the profits are shared among all these entrepreneurs. So the profit level of the first entrepreneur goes down. Now what is his role? Coming back again to the circle. So this circular theory, it is a circular theory of profit. What Schumpeter says, that an entrepreneur has to find out again something new. Remember the four points I said: new product, new method of production, new market, or new source of raw material. So an entrepreneur is a genius one. So now again he will find out something new if he wants to rise above all those imitative entrepreneurs. So friends, these are the entrepreneurs who are the engine for the economy. They make the innovations. What are our benefits? We get variety of products and services to use. So I hope you understood this theory. So all the best for your studies. If you have any doubt, you can send me through on my email also. Thank you so much.